What's up guys, hope everyone's good. Welcome back to my channel, and this week we're doing the weekly forecasts for the week of the 23rd of November until the 27th, our final week of November. So yeah, I'm just hoping that this week goes well with everyone and you end the month off in a bang. Okay, so to kick off, the first pair that we'll be analyzing is the Great British Pound and the USD. So we can see from the 4 hour, don't even think I need to go to the daily, but let me go anyway. So we'll look at the daily. The recent trend is an uptrend, okay, higher highs and higher lows. Come to the 4 hour and look for 4 key levels, key support resistance zones, and you see that the market is at a key resistance right now. Okay, so since it's been in an uptrend, we're looking to buy. Okay, so that's the bias. So we want the market to move upward. Make that black, sorry. So what we're looking for is the market to break that resistance, come back down, forming the new support, and make its way back up. Okay, or the market could move all the way down there, and kind of make its way back up. Okay, you might wonder if you can, since this range of moving down all the way here is quite a lot of pips, some people might want to trade the invalidation, which might be maybe make it a different color. So the market might just stay at that resistance, respect it, maybe come back down a bit, move up, then make its way back down. Okay, so that's an invalidation you could trade if you're looking to sell the market if it respects that resistance, or if the market, for me, makes its way all the way down there, makes its way back all the way down there, breaking structure, this uptrend, comes back to retest and starts moving, right? And the only reason for this is that I don't like trading against the trend. Okay, so if the market is moving upward, I like taking buys. If it's moving downward, I like taking sells. Because yeah, trading against the trend often backfires. Okay, because for all those who wanted to respect the resistance right here and started taking sell positions, now the market has started moving, making its way back up. Okay, and it's going against the trend, right? They might break even, they might make a loss, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, for me, I don't like risking that. I only take sell trades if the market breaks the structure. So if we're in an uptrend, having a nice trend channel, then the market breaks that channel, that's the only time I look to take sell trades. Alright, yeah, so that's it for the Great British Pound and the USD. The next pair is the USD Swiss franc. So we can see with this one that we're in a clear downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs. You can see that when you look at the daily. Okay, making lower lows and lower highs, right? So when we come to our lower time frames, what we're looking for are sell trades. So that's our bias for the week. Okay, so the market might move up, hit this recent resistance level, after it takes that recent resistance level, might make its way back down, or could break the support, making it a new resistance, come back up to retest, and make its way back down. Okay, an invalidation of this would be if the market goes up, breaks structure, right, breaks that downward channel resistance as well as the horizontal resistance, okay, comes back down to retest, then make its way back up. If it breaks that horizontal resistance again, you can take your second position on the second retest as the market moves back up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for the USD and the Swiss franc. Next pair, CHFJPY, Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. So this one is clearly going in a downtrend. We go to the daily and look at that. Lower highs and lower lows. Okay. Yeah, lower highs and lower lows. Sorry. So what are we looking for? Break and retest of key support resistance levels, or retest of those. So it's either the market could come back up, hit that zone, hit that resistance, start making its way back down. Now I don't think I would take this trade. Okay, I guess one could get about a 1:2 out of it. So yeah, so that could be your first position if it holds. Okay, second position would be if the market breaks the support, comes back and retests the now new resistance, and starts making its way back down. Alright, so an invalidation of this, as you all know, for me is if the market breaks structure, goes all the way back up there, which should be in a long time if that happens. Okay, comes back down and makes its way back up. And the only reason for that is because it would have broken this downward channel resistance as well as that horizontal resistance, right? However, for some people who want to trade the market going up, maybe an invalidation would be if it comes back up, breaks those key levels, comes back down, moves back up. Don't know if there's another key here. So maybe it would retest somewhere there. Retest somewhere there. And start making its way back up. Okay. So yeah, that could be an invalidation. I wouldn't take it, but for those that prefer trading against the trend, I would wait for those break and retests of those key support and resistance levels. Okay, next pair we're looking at is the euro and the Great British Pound. Okay, so normally this one is an inverse to the Great British Pound and the USD, and it kind of holds now because this one's going in the sell direction, downward direction, while the GU is going at a buy or upward direction. So you can easily see that we've recently been forming lower lows and lower highs. You can see that on the daily. Okay, so we're going to come down to the 4 hour. Just want to look at our key levels. Okay, we've had a recent resistance there and a recent support there. So these are our key levels for now. Alright, so since it's a sell, we're looking for the market to move up, possibly move up, hit that resistance, and start making its way back down. or the market could break through the support, come back up, retest the now new resistance, and make its way back down. Right? Guess it could also move all the way back up here, hit that resistance, start making its way back down. Okay. And the validation of this would be if the market moves all the way, breaks that downward channel resistance as well as the horizontal resistance up there, come back down, and start making its way back up. Right, so that's what we have for the Euro, Great British Pound. So for the EURJPY, also this one's going in a downward trend. Lower highs, lower lows, you can see that it's forming. That's the most recent trend. Okay, come to a 4-hour. You can see that this is our most recent resistance, that's our most recent support. So looking for the market to, since our biases are sell, to kind of break and retest that resistance, make its way back down, or break the support, come back up and retest the now new resistance, and make its way back down. Okay, so an invalidation for me would be if the market could move all the way back up, break that channel, downward channel resistance, as well as that horizontal resistance there, and then make its way back up. Okay, so that's it for the Euro and Japanese Yen. Next up are the Aussies, Australian Dollar, USD. So this one you could see that we're having a nice downtrend, right? Downtrend until the market broke structure around about in this zone, which was about start November. So we went down, the market broke structure, indicating that the bulls are now in control, and you possibly will want to look at bullish or buy signals, right? So what we see now is that the market is near a key resistance level. So one of two things could happen. The market could either make its way back up, breaking this resistance and making it a new support, coming back down and making its way back up, or the market could move, smack that support, and continue its way back up. Okay, so an invalidation of this would be the market comes through, break through that support, giving us new resistance, retesting that resistance, and continuing back into the channel. Okay, so that's what we have for the Aussie and the USD. Next up is the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. So this one you can also see it's forming lower lows and higher lows, but they're more gradual, okay, than the other pairs that we looked at that are selling. So it's gradually going downward, okay, and now Let's check the daily first. Yeah, so it's gradually going downward. Okay, so we'll go to a low time frame just to see the key support resistance levels. So what you're looking to get is for the market to move up, hit that resistance, okay, and make its way back down, or it could break through the support, hit that resistance, and continue with the downward momentum. Or an invalidation of this would be if the market breaks structure, breaks through the downward channel at that horizontal resistance channel, come back to retest, and continue to way back up. Okay, and our final pair, the Australian dollar CAD, similar to the Australian dollar CHF, current trend, the downtrend, the market is retesting there, that key resistance level. So let's start with invalidation this time. For the market to invalidate the sell, would move up, break through the downward resistance channel, break through that horizontal resistance, make its way back up. Okay. Alternatively, what we're looking for are sell signals, so the market should hit that resistance zone, and continue its way down, or break through that support, come back for the new resistance, and continue its way back down. Alright, so yeah, that's what you're looking for this week. I'm hoping these trades pan out, and I'm hoping everyone has a successful last week of the month. And yeah guys, happy trading, enjoy this week. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.